Hello guys, Navneet here, back with another video. In today's video we'll be talking about beards, and in beards we'll be talking about a beard tutorial. So ये beard tutorial होगा basically, and in this video we'll be covering what can be done to avoid patchy beards. So for the trimmer दोस्तों हमने जो size choose किया है that is 6 mm, so 6 mm for the sides, so that will give a faded look, and for the bottom part we'll be going for a 6.5. So 6.5 ज़्यादा gap रखने से it sort of looks very patchy at the point of intersection where they meet, but still ठीक है. And हमने इतना कम साइज इसलिए रखा है because I think that will be much more convenient for you, because I think most guys who go to office these days keep a stubble beard, so no one's keeping a very thick beard, and if you're keeping a thick beard you obviously won't trim. But if this video helps, do let me know. And for the moustache we'll be keeping again a 6, and for the goatee again a 6. So let's start into the video.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent. Oh yeah, it stings the nostrils in a good way. Yeah, Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you. That smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
So here's how our beard turned out to be, and for many people what is difficult to understand is what sort of beard should they go for. For that we'll be making another video some other day, but that was the beard tutorial. I think I basically made this video because a lot of you were commenting about how do you do your beard, and it's very simple because I do my beard at home. I don't go to the barber shop very frequently. At times maybe yes, or when I go for a haircut, but I haven't gone for a haircut for a very long time, and so I was doing all my shaving and all my trimming at home. So I think this video helps, and signing off, Navneet.